Okay, folks, I know I told you 6 months ago that it was happening. Today it's really happening.
Hi, I'm Jim. I had visited the Philippines as a young sailor back in 1985. And wouldn't you know it, I'd found out I had a daughter there 30 years later.
Hello, mga kapuso!
Early 2024, I flew to the other side of the planet to meet her and her family for the first time. This is my story, and I invite you to follow my journey as I explore this place called Guiuan and beyond.
Huh?
Is it a pimple?
No, it's just got burned, sunburned.
Ah, burn. I thought it's pimple because he said that when you have pimple on your nose, it means you're in love.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, it must be true then.
Just kidding.
It must be true then.
I see. You're in
I
love.
think it must be true. See what I mean? Okay, let's go find some peanuts.
I have a towel over here.
Take off our shirts. Guess what? Someone had a bright idea to go to the beach in the rain. We're going to be munching out and check this place
We have
out.
our specialty.
Lato.
Sea grapes.
Yeah.
Sewage.
Sea grapes. I love that
It's good
stuff.
for the thyroid.
Nagasan ko nila.
Right pa. Kada mako na nadalat yaw. Ano nakita?
Oo, nakita.
Sige na. O, rin tubig.
I-chak nga ito.
Ano
Chak
ako?
Ang panagad lang
Hotspot malama.
Ang mga sipat na lang.
Pakita mo.
Akin na mga baguhang kagot na cellphone. Labog.
Yung cellphone, ngayaw kang bibiwa ka.
Sila dilit sila pin.
Kapag di lang, isip lang namin.
Tanko na't basura bito ha.
Kapag di na din.
Ano na may liman?
Una ito.
Malangaw.
Luto. Ang brila na eh. Pabrid na ito. Uy, pabrid na.
Jeep lang.
Sumayaw yung Jesus, sumayaw. Lakoy. Lakoy na bigay.
Malulobad.
Alright, well, the rain stopped. So we're going to venture out. The water. I think it's pretty shallow all the way out. How far does it go? Before we're like,
Sure? The table.
I don't know. Alright, let's go scope it out.
ka ganda ng iyaw sa nitrate ko. Panay ka na ganda ng hinit. G, kinit.
Kadada mo ala niya dito yung tato, ano?
Pag tinambayang ko din ako. Inilog na lang ako dito.
Hindi rin.
Bilang manakap ko.
Dili, tato ginoo ko.
Parang siguro na pag-take dito ng madlaw. Impigod. Pag katuro, pag mata mo, irim mo ng taon laanay. Tapos irim mo na naman.
Daddy ka, na at least masaya.
Kumbaga ito ng panalakiri ako ng baho. Ayun na, patilaw-tilaw ko ito naman na. Marasa nga, yan ayaw.
Ano? Ano?
Puros mag-jambo. Ang kinada natin ng gabi, kanda pa.
Ada o nga ni,
Diba?
ada puro MP. Di ba na di ka man ng MP?
Ay na, wala yung kagaganahin ko. Bibili lang ako ng MP na lang. Agalaga itong kuwan. Broken hearted na lahat ito.
Broken hearted ka lahat to, Seton.
Maray.
Ay! Ay!
Ibinidyohon ka na ni.
Broken hearted ka lahat to.
Ibinidyohon na yung tagay ni James.
Oh? Ibalahin na na naklat yan na busy. Busy sa internet. Tapos magte-tiktok at yun na.
Speech! Pobo na naman ito na niya.
Nano?
Pobo ito nila pag TikTok niya. Para tayong paggabi.
Pero
Kids cut.
Pinato ko na.
Ubo ka nga igabi paggawas mo.
Para good video, ano? Pero kung maramat si Bite, hindi videoan to. Kaya ka may cellphone ni Bite, ba? Ano yung cellphone Bite? Ikaw, nagpakita doon na ito. Adan lagas, tidak adan lagas. Ada man? Adan lagas, tidak nga nakikiling mo.
the house to go.
Yeah, what's your point? I love you, babe. Forever. I love you. Forever. Did you sleep tonight? Last night? Good. Did you sleep good tonight? Last night? Did you sleep good?
I slept so good.
That's good. There you go. Yeah. Love you. I enjoyed these 2 days.
You are 2 days?
Yes, with you.
Oh, so did I. Then it's gonna be a long 5 days, right?
Yes, I will miss you.
We got 5 days before we see each other again,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, babe.
Okay, we'll get through it 5 days.
Yeah.
Alright? Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna do it this time, right?
Yes.
Okay, you want to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
That's right.